All right, y'all, you can see we have got our refried beans into our pan here. We're using 3 1-pound cans. Whoop. Then we used a 4-pound jug of paste picani. My cream cheese is pretty warm here, so it's sticking. 2 pounds total of sour cream. And then I did 1 pound of cheddar jack cheese and 1 pound of quesadilla. And we also used some chorizo sausage. Now I'm just gonna come in with my cumin powder and I am gonna gently come in this all on top here, getting a good amount because as you can see, we've got a lot of stuff in this pan. This is a perfect recipe. Of course you can make this in summer, but you know what's the best thing about the fall is the transition from summer to the fall. Sports come back on TV. Of course, some people have been watching baseball. I'm not as much of a baseball fan myself, but I understand that some people really, really like it. I think it's become more popular. I wonder if that's because of the new rules that make everything go faster. Y'all let me know, do you watch baseball, and if so, what team? All right, and now I've got some chili powder here, and I just got a little bit left in here. I'm gonna have to go to the store after this. I'm just gonna use everything left in this container. But it's kind of exciting. You get to get new spices. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna put this in my oven at 375 for 1 hour. Alrighty, y'all. We have this in the oven for 1 hour. And now, as you can see, our chorizo is cooked perfectly. We're just gonna start coming in here with my mashy and the mixy, and gonna start getting this all incorporated. We're not quite finished yet, but we are well on our way. As I said, this is perfect for game day. You can make this for the World Series. You can save it for Thanksgiving. You could do it on just a random Sunday, whatever whenever you're kind of celebrating. Sometimes I'm celebrating on random nights. Sometimes I'm celebrating on a Tuesday because you know what? We are alive. We are alive for another day, and it is our job to honor that, to be excited, to be grateful, and y'all, I am. And I just gotta say, I am so grateful for my dogs, for my husband, for delicious food, for all of you, and I hope y'all are having the most beautiful day out there. It's Sunday here. We probably won't be putting this up necessarily on a Sunday, but right now it's Sunday, and we are just so grateful for y'all, and I wanted to just make that perfectly clear. Anyway, we're gonna give this a good mixy. Alrighty, y'all, we have got this well incorporated. Look at that beautiful bean dip. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna put this back in the oven for 1 more hour to make sure that chorizo is cooked. Alrighty, y'all, fresh from the oven, our chorizo bean dip is ready for us to eat. I'm gonna top this with a little bit of this freeze-dried fresh cilantro. This is gonna really just put it, makes it a salad when you put some green on top.
It makes all the difference.
It makes all the difference. I have got a bowl here. I'm gonna give myself a healthy, hearty scoop of this. Gorgeous. Oh, let me put that down for a second. Now I did just get some chips to dip this into. Y'all, I don't know why, but sweetened potato corn tortilla chips sounded so good to me, so I wanted to give these a try. Do you all like sweet potato corn tortilla chips? All right. Oh my God. Woo! Y'all, this is outstanding. This is so good. You gotta serve this your next game day barbecue. Don't have to make as big of a portion, but y'all, you gotta try it.